Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 32 and 33 of Surah Al-Ma'idah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم من أجل ذلك كتبنا على بني إسرائيل Min for kasra give E sound attached with noon. Noon gets a pa of tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. And ruling is idhar. Min aj Hamza is very sharp. Fatha, open your jaws, attach with Jim. Jim will get sip of qalqala. Aj li for kasra give E sound. The sound is short. The 2 counts long. Li for kasra give E sound. Kaf has no humps when it is mutaharrika. When it is with fatha, dhamma, kasra, there is no humps. Ka, very sharp, clear sound. Ka. Again, tab. Ta is very sharp for fatha open jaw. Sharp means there is no flow of sound. Tab. And ba will get sip of qalqala. Na, 2 counts long. Ain from your throat. La, 2 counts long and it is light. Ba, for fatha open your jaws, the sound is short. Ni, 4 counts long. Mad munfasil jaiz. Is for kasra give E sound attached sin. Sin will get sifa of raqawa and it is light and it has safid. Isra mad muttasil wajib. E 2 counts long. La for fatha open jaws. And Hamza is very sharp for fatha open jaws attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. And the fatha is very short. Na, woo for the circle ellipse and make it 2 counts long. Mang for fatha open jaws and then make ikhfa, and this ikhfa is heavy. To make any ikhfa heavy, you are lifting your tongue up. Mang qaf is heavy for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Ta, sharp sound means no flow of sound. So the sound creates and it is ending very abruptly. Ta, la, for fatha open jaws. Naf, for fatha open jaws attached fa will get sifa humps and rakhawa. So the sound will flow very nicely. Naf, sam, for fatha open your jaws and then make iqlab, and after tanween there is ba letter. So we are changing the sound of noon into meme. This is called iqlab. Nafsam with gunna in your nose. B gunna. Okay. B for kasra give E sound. Ghain is heavy for fatha open jaws attached with ya. This is lean, so make it soft and make it 2 counts long. Ri for kasra give E sound. Naf, give hums on fa and rakhawa nicely. Sin, sifa is tawassut and ruling is idhar. Sin, aw, hamza is very sharp for fatha open jaws attached with waw. This is lean, so make it soft and 2 counts long. Aw, fa, give hums on fa for fatha open jaws. Sa, 2 counts long. Ding, this is ikhfa, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ding, feel, for kasra give E sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Tawassut is medium flow of sound. Feel, aw, hamza is very sharp for fatha open jaws attached with ra. Ra will be heavy and it will get tawassut. Li for kasra give E sound. F, give hums for fatha open jaws. Kaf is light for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. And hamza is very sharp attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna. This gunna is akmal. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na for fatha open jaws. Ma, 2 counts long. Qaf is heavy for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Ta, sharp sound for fatha open your jaws. Lan, open your jaws for fathan lam and then attach it. Noon will get sifa of gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na, then it is 2 counts long. Sa for fatha open jaws. J, very clear sound. There is no sound of ch in it. So this is clear j sound. When you are lifting your middle part of your tongue to the middle part of your palate, you are pasting it up there. That is making Jim very clear sound. J, j. No flow of breath or sound. J. Me. Good. 2 counts long. Ow. Idgham with kunna. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Wa. For wow, circle your lips. The makhraj of wow is circling your lips. For fatha open jaws. Man, tawassut and ruling is idhar. Ah, Hamza is very sharp. Fatha open jaws attached. Ha will get sifa for raha and hams. Ah, yeah. 2 counts long. Ha. Fa. Give hams in fa before fatha. With fatha, the sound will be short. Ka. Very light sound. And for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. And Hamza is very sharp. For fatha open jaws, that with noon. Noon will get sifa of kunna. This kunna is akmal. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. For fatha, the sound will be short. Na. Ma. Mad munfasil jaiz. Ah. Hamza is very sharp. For fatha open jaws attached with ha. Ha will get sifa of Rakhawa and hums. Yeah, keep ya light. Your middle part of your tongue is lifting up to create to say this yeah. So it is very soft. Fatha open jaws attached with noon. Noon will get sipa of gunna, and this gunna is akmal. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Yan, and then it is 2 counts long. Na, sa for fatha open jaws. Ja, Jim is the makhraj of Jim is middle part of your tongue is touching and pasting on the upper palate that is making Jim very strong sound. J, me, 2 counts long. Mat, is making it 2 counts long. Wa, makhraj of waw is circling your lips. Fatha open your jaws. The sound is short. La, Qad. Qaf is heavy for fatha open jaws attached. Da will get sipa off. Qalqala and dal will be light. Why I'm saying so? Because of this qaf, you might make this dal heavy too. So be careful. Qad. Make dal light. Qad. Ja. Mat. Muttasil wajib. At. Hamza is very sharp for fatha open jaws attached. Ta will get sifa of hums. And hums is flow of breath. At whom for the circle ellipse attached with me will get sifa of tawassut and ruling is idhar. Oru, ra is heavy for the circle ellipse and ra is yes, ra is heavy. Su for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Lu for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Na, 2 counts long. Bil for kasra give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut and tawassut is medium flow of sound. Bay for fatha open jaws attached with ya. You are giving here nabar, and nabar is jump up sound. Whenever waw and ya are with tashdid, you are giving nabar, and nabar is jump up sound. When you are attaching ba with ya, here you are applying it. Bay. And then ya with kasra will be very simple and regular, and ya will be soft as it is. E, na, 2 counts long. T for kasra give e sound. Thum for the circle ellipse attached with me will get sipa of kunna, and this kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Thum, and for fatha, the sound is short. Ma, in, hamza is very sharp. For kasra give e sound attached with noon. Noon will get sipa of kunna, and this kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na, for fatha, the sound is short. Ka is very light, and it has no hums. Ka, fi, 2 counts long. Ram, ra will be heavy whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma. It is heavy, so, and it is attached with meme, and there is idgham, and this idgham is with gunna. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ram, min, for kasra give e sound and then attach with noon. Noon will get sifa of the pursuit and ruling is with her. Hum. This for dhamma circle ellipse. on ha, but as you will touch meme, your list should be in a straight position because there is no dhamma on meme. So, and this is ikhfa shafi, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time because this is it. Sorry, this is not idgham. This is ikhfa shafawi. This is ikhfa shafawi. So you're keeping the sound in your nose. إخفاء شفوي باع بفتح open jaws attached to the عين will gets its شفا off توسط بعد بفتح open jaws the 2 counts long لي for kasra give e sound ka بفتح open jaws feel for kasra give e sound attached to lam will get شفا off توسط the توسط is medium flow of sound. أو Hamza is very sharp for fatha open jaws attached to raw will get sifa off tawassut and raw will be heavy. أو ضي for kasra give e sound. La for fatha open jaws. Mus for dhamma circle ellipse attachment. Sin will get sifa off rakhawa and it is light and it has safir. Musri for kasra give e sound. Ra is always light when it has kasra. For fa, you're giving halves. For dhamma, circle your lips. And you are giving sukoon because of this waqf at the end. So noon with sukoon will call what? Tawassut. You will give tawassut here. And this temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts. That is making it mad arid lis sukoon. من أجل ذلك كتبنا على بني إسرائيل أنه من قتل نفسا بغير نفس أو فساد في الأرض فكأنما قتل الناس جميعا ومن أحياها فكأنما أحيا الناس جميعا ولقد جاءتهم رسلنا بالبينات ثم إن كثيرا منهم بعد ذلك في الأرض لمسرفون. In for Hamza is very sharp, focus give E sound, attach it noon will get sifa of kunna. This kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ma 2 counts long. J for fatha upon your jaws. Ja has no sound of cha into it. So when you are pasting your middle part of your tongue to the palate, that is making jim without any flow of breath or sound. So j, j, j. Za has safin and make it 4 counts long. Mad muttasil wajib. Ul Hamza is very sharp for dhamma, circle lips attached with no lam. As you will touch lam, your lips should be in a straight position, and lam will get sifa tawassut first, and then la for fatha. The sound is short. The 2 counts long. Na for fatha open jaws. You for dhamma, circle lips. Ha give Hamza and ha, make it 2 counts long. Ri for kasra give e sound. Woo for dhamma, circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Now keep noon light, but lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Now by default it is 2 count long. For fatha open jaws. Makhraj of waw is circling lips. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ra is heavy. Whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, it is always heavy. And the sound is short. Su for the circle lips, make it 2 counts long. La for fatha open jaws. Hu for the circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Wa makhraj of wow is circling your lips. Fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Yes. For fatha open jaws attached seen in galsifa of and it is light and it has safir. Yes. Ow, ain from your throat for fatha open jaws attached wow and mm, this is lean. So you're making it 2 counts long and making it soft. Ow, na, for fatha open jaws. Feel for kasra give E sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Ow, hamza is very sharp for fatha open jaws attached with ra. Ra will get sifa of tawassut. And ra will be heavy because there is fatha before it. For kasra give E sound. F, give hams in fa for fatha open jaws. Sa, 2 counts long. Then ruling is idhar. Ruling is the idhar and sifa is tawassut. Hamza is very sharp and make there is dhamma and you're keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. You for dhamma circle lips keep ya very soft. You qat qaf is heavy for fatha upon jaws attached ta will get sifa of shidda. There is no flow of sound. Qat and then ta for fatha, the sound will you will open your jaws and the sound will be short. Ta lu mad munfasil jaiz lu ow. Hamza is very sharp for fatha open jaws attached with wow. This is lean, so make it soft and make it 2 counts long. You keep ya light and make it 2 counts. No, it is short. And for dhamma circle lips, you swad is heavy for fatha open jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawasut. Swal la for with fatha. The sound is short. Woo, mad, munfasil jaiz, make it 4 counts long. Ow, hamza is very sharp. For fatha upon jaws attached. Wow, this is lean, so make it soft and make it 2 counts long. Two for the sound is short, and there is shidda on ta. Two, qat, qaf is heavy. For fatha upon jaws attached with ta. Ta will be heavy too. Qat, and there will be shidda on ta, and then with the fatha, the sound will be very short. Ta, ain from your throat for fatha upon jaws. Hamza is sharp, attached with ya. This is lean, so make it soft and make it 2 counts long. For kasra give E sound. Sorry. D, 2 counts long. Him for kasra give E sound attached with meme. We will get sifa of tawassut and ruling it tha. And him for wow circle your lips. The makhraj of wow is circling your lips. Fatha open jaws. Hamza is very sharp for fatha open jaws attached with ra. Ra will get sifa of tawassut and ra will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Ju for the circle your lips. Lu for the circle lips. The sound is short. Hum for the circle lips attached with meme. This is idgham shafawi. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time because this is akmal gunna. Hum min for kasra give sound attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of tawassut and ruling is idhar. Fa is heavy for kasra give e sound. The sound is short. La 2 counts long. Fin ruling is idhar and sifa is tawassut. Ow. This is lean, so make it 2 counts long and make it soft. Yung for dhamma circle lips. As you will touch noon for ikhfa, your lips should be in a straight position. And this ikhfa is light, so your tongue should be in a straight position too. Yung fau. This is this is lean, so make it soft and make it 2 counts long. Me for kasra give e sound. Null for fatha open jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa tawassut. Hamza is sharp for fatha open jaws attached with ra. Ra will get sifa tawassut. And then dot will be with sukun because of this waqt. Dal will get sifa istitala and rakhawa. Min al here you are given tawassut, here you are given rakhawa. So the flow of sound on dot will be longer than ra. The two counts long. Li for kasra give e sound. Ka for fatha open jaws. La for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Hum for the circle lips attached with meme. You will get sifa of the wasat. And as you will touch meme, your lips should be in a straight position and suffice the wasat and ruling it with her. Qiz. Kha is heavy for kasra give e sound. Attached za. Za will get sifa off. Rakhawa and Safir, and it is like yung for Dhamma circle your lips, and as you will create ikhfa, your lips should be in a straight position and keep the sound in your nose. Yung feel for kasra give e sound attached. Sorry, it is attached with dal. Feed, and dal will get sifa of shidda, no flow of sound whatsoever. Feed dun for dhamma circle lips attached with noon. This is har mutlaq. Dun ya two counts long. It will stay as is because whenever there is mad letter at the end, it will stay the same. Wa makhraj of wow circle in your lips for fatha open jaws. La for fatha open jaws. Hum for dhamma circle lips attached with meme. You will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow sound and ruling it with half. Feel for kasra give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Hamza is very sharp for make it two counts long. Khi for kasra give e sound and the sound is short. Ra is heavy for fatha open jaws. Whenever ra is with fatha, the might is always heavy. T for kasra give e sound. This is a sharp sound. Ain from your throat for fatha open jaws. The two counts long. Bun. This suffice the wasut and ruling is hard. Ain from your throat. Azim. Because of this work, we are giving sukoon on meme, which is bringing in tawassut on meme. And when and this temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts long. So this is making it mad arid sukoon. إنما جزاء الذين يحاربون الله ورسوله ويسعون في الأرض فسادا أن يقتلوا أو يصلبوا أو تقطع أيديهم وأرجلهم من خلاف أو ينفوا من الأرض ذلك لهم خزي في الدنيا ولهم في الآخرة عذاب عظيم. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.